Good morning. It is, okay, it's 6:05. It's not that early. We're getting ready to head out to the start line of Seawheeze. And it is pouring out there. So we're all going with plan B. And I am putting Glide in like every possible crevice. Everywhere there's a seam, I'm putting Glide because I'm worried about chafing and blistering. I've decided to wear a rain jacket along with my outfit. I think I'll be okay. I think the tall socks will keep me warm. A little worried about my legs, but those will warm up once I start running. Oh, but man, it is pouring out there. I don't know if you can see out there, but that's pouring. I'm gonna wear a hat to try to keep the rain out of my eyes. And then we have Ziploc baggies to put our phones in, because mine's not waterproof. That's for sure. I think Michael's phone is waterproof, but all right, we got our gear check bags. Michael's got a gear check bag. I'm really afraid I'm gonna lose my earpods today. Are earpods even waterproof? I don't know. Gosh. Between the rain, my foot, chafing, blistering. This is gonna be an interesting race. I'm a little nervous. Cross your fingers, please. We're gonna try to vlog on the course. We're not taking this nice, expensive camera though. We're gonna take Michael's, we're gonna try to vlog with Michael's phone. But again, if it's pouring, we're not gonna bring electronics out into the open. So I'll see you on the other side.
We're already soaked and the race hasn't started yet. We got soaked just walking over here from the Westin. So we're in the convention center right now, where runners are seeking refuge from the rain, checking their bags, stretching, and Instagramming. How do you feel, Michael?
Tired.
I'm not tired, but we're about to be wet and cold for the next couple hours, so. And my feet are already soaked just from walking over here. I don't know how much we'll be taking the phone out because it's raining pretty hard out there. So the next time you see us, hopefully we'll have medals around our necks. Hopefully. All right, Godspeed. Okay, we're here at the start line. They just started the race, but we're starting a ways back since we're running a little slower today. We're moving forward. The rain has stopped. By, I don't know, some miracle. The rain has stopped. I'm keeping my hood on for just a little bit longer to dry out. But I'm excited. Now I just gotta make sure I don't slip. And then I can finish. Finish with a smile. That's the goal today. Get that medal. Nobody knows what the medal looks like, so very, very eager to see that. Mothership, as it's known, I guess, which is Lululemon headquarters. So we're gonna bow down to that. We're just taking a little break. Michael and David had a little potty break, and we're meeting some friends on the course. This is going very well, but there's a break in the rain, which is good because, oh, look at him. He's gonna PR today. Cute little nugget. That's awesome. All right, well, let's keep running, and as long as it stays not raining, we'll do some more vlogging, but it was raining pretty hard at the start. All right, mile 8.5. There's trampoliners back there. Good cheer station right there. And we are on the beautiful seawall. If you follow me this way. We're gonna run into Stanley Park along the beautiful seawall. This has been on my bucket list for a long time. I can't wait to run it. Now I just gotta make sure my legs can keep up. All right, let's do it. My friend Dave Mari. Yeah, so these are the infamous mermaids.
Yes, they exist. They are real.
They're real. They're real. So now I've seen the drag queens and the mermaids. So Richard, you know, this is my tribute to Richard. We're almost done, you guys.
They're serenading us. This is mile 11 and a half.
11 and a half. Okay, cool. We got this. We got this. Mermaids. They're so pretty. No! We're waiting for you. You're almost there. Finish line time.
Through Terry So from Vancouver, working her way across the line right there. Adam Witt just made it from Washington, D.C. A long way to come for an amazing event. Sue Schnur, Adam Witt, Venus Booth, all making their way
I'm still not
through.
looking. Beautiful.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Let's see it. Yeah. Oh, dang. Love it. Beautiful. We did it. We finished. Barely. But we finished. The medal is gorgeous. It's like a kaleidoscope. Or a prism. So cool. But yeah, I feel great. I feel great now that we've stopped running. It was gorgeous. Probably the most gorgeous half marathon I've ever done. And as Michael pointed out, it's probably the only half marathon where you can run in urban streets, in forest, and on the beach. Like all in one half marathon. So it was great. Now we're gonna go eat. We're starving. We're starving. This was great. Thank you, Seawheeze. Awesome experience.